Guys, it's been a long time. Welcome to Sam's Vlogs again. Medyo maingay tayo dito ngayon mga bata sa katabi. Anyway, it's Sunday today and we're here trying to figure it out paano buksan yung how to open the brake pads and try to push the piston on the 2014 Ford Explorer. So yan, this is what we're gonna do here. Have to open this up. And guys, as you can see, it's EverTouch disc brake caliper. This is the one that we bought from O'Reilly. Let's see how it looks. This is what we're gonna use to push that caliper. There we go. We got everything in here. Alright, so we just figured out which one we're gonna use from here, and let's see from there. Alright guys, so let's see from here. This is the plate that we use. See how, there you go. It's the way how you do it. Yeah, antag ko na tayo. Guys, see that? Just have to put it like that in there, and this one here, like that. Yeah, soon. What? Yeah. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing here. Let's see. So you just have to get the right tool, that's the right size. You put it at the slot there, like that, and then this one goes like that. Okay, there you go. And then this one, this plate, you just have to slide it in like that, right there. Easy. There. And you have to twist this counterclockwise, that until it gets into the point that it'll be tight. Here. Tighten it up a little bit more. Alright, so there. Tighten this up a little bit more. Not that much. Oh, we just have to rotate this. Let's see from there. There's another tool to twist this. There, you see it's rotating right here. You see? There. So now it's moving in, pushing the piston. Nice and slow. Yeah. Nice and slow. Right there. Getting it. Now, let's move this again. There we go. And in this. There we go. Right. Move this. There you go. It's moving. Almost there. Like an easy oil does. You can feel it, it's adjusting because you have to adjust this one too at the same time. Just like that. Yep. Doing its job. Just this again. Perfect. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. Sagad na po yan. Good. Easy. There you go. Good job. Let's do it the other one too. Alright, let's do it quick. Go. The same thing, guys. Meron makita dyan. Let's put it the other side here. Yan. There you go. Yan. You guys can see. You can see here there's a slot, so let's put this plate here. Just like that. And then this. There you go. Adjust it. Okay. And let's do the same as the other side. Oh yeah. There we go. There you go. can see that. Let's see if I can get it closer. Right there. See that it's spinning right here. There we go. Oh, by the way, I got the pry bar too to use it to put it here in the slot here on the caliper, and that will serve as a to the opposite way, so I can pull this, turn it clockwise. There we go. Adjust this a little bit, and this easy. There we go. Adjust again. Almost there. 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 So that's it, guys. It got pushed in all the way now. So let's take this off. Let's remove this. There we go. Okay, confirm it does the job. Right there. You see that plate? It's pushed all the way in already. That's the piston. Alright guys, so yeah, so far it does the job. So price of this one, price reveal. We got all the set here. Maybe even your tractor, your hand tractor, or everything. It can do the job for this one, for the brakes, when you do a brake service. So price reveal, I bought this for 75 bucks. It's the same thing when you rent it. They will charge you for 75 bucks. And if you want to return, after 48 hours, you can get the $75 back. Including taxes and everything, it goes all the way up to like $83. That's what I paid for it. Okay guys? Alright, but me, since I like the tools and I have some cars to do, you know, I guess I just keep it myself because it's nice. It really does the job. See, I have one in there, that one, and there's one on the street. So I was like, dang, I'd rather keep it. Thank you so much. And again, this is the AberTouch. It's right there, AberTouch. This brake caliper tool set. That's what it's called. $75 guys, and it works. It does the job. Thank you again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sam's Vlogs. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you so much. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. Ciao.